Hello everybody, welcome back to my content channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make 3 video Oreo ice cream. It's so good, so let's get started. Okay, so you get a that's what I put in a bowl. 6 to 12 Oreo, depends on how much Oreos are on your ice cream. Put them in plastic bag. And then you crust it until it's not necessarily palatable with a small chunks. So you see, you're not really palatable but with a small chunks. Put it to the side. Go to a mixing bowl and put in 500 milliliters of whipping cream. And whip it until it's pale and creamy. Alright, now that's whipped, you add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now you add those Oreos that you crushed before. And now you just fold it through. Now you get a silver container and pour the mixture straight in. Oh, look at that. So yummy. Now you put the lid on. Put this in the freezer for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight and we'll see how it goes. Oh, beautiful. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for Oreo ice cream, as you can see. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, let's taste it. Oh, so much better from the store. Guaranteed. So, thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.